Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Miss Forensic Lady, my dear Forensic Lady, chapter 95. So here it is. Let's read the story. How is the situation? On Junction Police Station, it seems that everyone seems to be busy. Well, still, they need to gather some evidence, but Song Yu-hang, at this moment, has been busy. Captain Song, I have asked everything clearly. This guy is a scoundrel who doesn't do his job properly. I just hang out in an internet cafe and play around when I have nothing to do. He says that the person was exhausted after investigating for 2 or 3 days. It turned out to be such a little rascal, causing trouble. Now, it really makes sense. Song Yu-hang, okay, you have all worked hard. Let me teach you a lesson. Just let it go. As a token of your appreciation, it seems that Song Yu-hang, she is being lenient. Well, the cigarette, it turns out it was empty on her pocket. Well, it seems to be Song Yu-hang. She's getting tense about this. Probably she want to go out to buy something. Well, Shirley walked out after a few minutes and she was holding her pocket. This girl, she's really getting tense about the case, not solving it as sooner as possible. But there's a girl who's coming to her. Could it be that this is Linian at this moment? Song Yu-hang, she seems to be surprised. Linian, she was giving her a cigar. Well, there's no Songhua cigarette, so I just have to make do with what I have, not going to rest. Even I close my eyes, I still have nightmares. It is better not to sleep and be more energetic. Linian said to her. Well, that's a question. Song Yu-hang, it seems that Linian surely can bear it. Until now, she's having a nightmare. Well, probably she's been haunted by the fuss. But Song Yu-hang, is it important to you? Well, it seems that she want to know more about her. That's why she keep asking her question. Song Yu-hang, what do you take me for? Now, remembering this, Linian, suddenly, she was silent. Could it be that she is going to open up to Song Yu-hang this time? Well, you should ask yourself, it is important to you. Now, makes sense. She returned the questions on Song Yu-hang and Linian. She moved aside and thinking something. I seem to have touched some threshold. Song Yu-hang said to Linian, I don't quite understand. Well, it seems that she's really getting sad about this. Probably she don't know how to coax her, just like this case. It seems to be right in front of us, but we have no idea where to go. Well, she was right. The frustration, it's really getting into her nerves. Well, you wait for me, Song Yu-hang said. Wait until this case is over. I will definitely give you a satisfactory answer. Well, it seems to be. Song Yu-hang, she is getting impatient about this. Well, but Linian, she was hesitating to speak. Now she becomes silent, and only she kept staring on Song Yu-hang. But it seems that Linian, she was satisfied by what Song Yu-hang said to her. Now said to her, well, is she really willing to wait her answer? It seems that right. I haven't been going home lately and have been sleeping in the duty room. Well, wait, she means yes. Well, it seems that the two of them still they're thinking about each other. She means that even I can answer this question even though I don't know what's ending will. But one thing will never change. Oh, this girl, they're really getting awkward with each other. We're colleagues. We'll spend every day together. They're also comrades who live and die together. Well, the condition, it seems to be, it never getting worsen. But, of course, they really keep asking so many questions about themselves, probably their feelings. It still remain questionable how they feel to each other. Still, they're really willing to wait for each other. The smoke still doesn't taste good enough. Next time, please let me smoke Xinhua's cigarette. Oh, it seems that she's having condition, but of course, Linian, she knows it. Look at her, she was smiling. It seems that she don't want to listen to her. Well, let's hope that the relationship of the two of them, it's really getting better. But right now, keep silence. Oh, Linian, she's really getting bad. Look at her, her gestures and also her reaction towards Song Yuhang. It really makes sense. After that, she got really shy to look back on Song Yuhang. This girl, she's really getting tricky. Well, definitely, we can really expect more from her. Well, after that, look at her. She become energetic. Well, come on. It seems that there's something more. Well, could it be that Linian, she was teasing her again, but understanding the situation, Song Yuhang, she was smiling. Well, they really know each other, and still, they really can act like this. What a child. Now, makes sense. The evening, it's getting deeper. Well, definitely, they need to take rest so the two of them can have a good morning next day. But it seems that Dijon says that this would never appear again, so it seems that there's something wrong. Some of the colleagues still gathering some information and also evidence. Well, tonight, it seems to be they really need to work hard. Please explain. Well, there's a person who's asking this. This, this, is this person is related to the victim. It seems that. How is this possible? L. It is really destroyed long ago, but it seems that this is the key to investigation. Well, let's hope that they can really help this thing. This is something sent by the Junction City Bureau. How could it be fake? Well, the doctor, it seems to be questioning about the evidence that has been sent by. But looking at it, the matter has come to this. What are you going to do? Well, it's just a sample that maybe can lead us to more briefly answer to this case. Well, let's hope that this doctor can really help them, even though it looks really suspicious. Well, they seems to be one to check the things. Let's solve that there's more solution. Give them the inspection report, but the sample must be kept. So it seems that this person is trying to hide things from Linian. Well, this is not good. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is totally open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!